So this week a lot has changed for the game. I overhauled the entire UI and put in this nice greeny UI set I found. And also I got a load of feedback from my client, so I've had to implement that. So I've got a lot of changes because I wanted a lot of features added in. So the first off is the difficulty levels no longer have thrifty and recession. They want them to be scenarios. So within easy, medium and hard, I need to have normal, thrifty and recession added in, which I haven't done yet because that's going to be really complicated to add in. They also wanted the objective at the very front, which I've added in. So they wanted to be able to bulk buy things and see the predicted stats as well, so that everyone can know exactly how it's going to affect. I've also added in the profit compared to the cash, as it wasn't making sense. Also, they wanted the economical value completely removed from the entire game, so I've had to strip that all out. They also wanted a lot of things which involved mousing over or using the keyboard, but I had to remind them that this is for mobile as well, so I've had to compromise on some things and say I'll put the money here, as they wanted a mouse over thing where it would come up as a pop-up, but that wouldn't work on mobile.